Hey everyone, it's Brian Fagan from The Laws of Brian Fagan. Today, we're delving into a crucial topic that hits close to home for many going through a divorce: safeguarding your privacy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. Let's jump right in. At our firm, we've seen cases where suspicions lead to spying between spouses. In today's tech-driven world, anyone can become an amateur sleuth. But here's the thing. It's not about privacy, it's about understanding your rights. Let's explore how you can protect yourself during a divorce. Why would a spouse spy on you? It could be suspicions of substance abuse, infidelity, financial troubles, or even concerns about your work. Today, we'll explore the motives behind spousal spying and the actions that might follow. Some spouses spy to gain an advantage. In a divorce proceeding in Texas, fault can still be considered in divorces, and spying might be an attempt to establish grounds like cruelty, adultery, or abandonment. It's a strategic move that can impact property division. Let's dive deeper. Now, how can you tell if you're being spied on? Watch out for signs like social media monitoring, cell phone tracking, recording conversations, or even hiring a private investigator. Your online presence and phone activities might be under the microscope. Let's uncover the ways you can protect yourself. Let's start with social media. Your accounts can be a goldmine of information for a snooping spouse. Even if you unfriend your spouse and tweak your security settings, mutual friends can still spill the beans. Be cautious about what you share online and consider tightening those privacy settings. Cell phones are a major source of information and a potential spying mechanism. If you share your plan, your spouse can track your calls and texts. Changing passwords and getting a new phone might be necessary to maintain privacy. We've seen cases where suspicious activities were uncovered through phone bills. Let's explore further. GPS tracking is a common tactic. Services like AT&T Family Map or Verizon Smart Family can disclose your location. Change passwords, consider getting your own plan, and be vigilant about electronic trails. Your movements should be yours to share or keep private. Now let's talk about electronic devices like spyware. Spouses can use apps to monitor your texts, calls, or even track your location. Legal or not, it happens. Change passwords, use firewalls, and consider encryption to secure your communications. Your digital life deserves protection. Video surveillance, like nanny cams, may not be illegal, but there are limitations. Avoid recording private areas and be aware of where these cameras are placed. Your privacy matters even during a divorce. Let's navigate the legalities of video surveillance, moving on to electronic toll tags like EasyTag. These can inadvertently reveal your location. Get your own account and remove shared names. We've seen cases where toll tags data fueled suspicions and even stalking. Your daily commutes shouldn't become a tool for invasion of privacy. Systems like OnStar or GPS navigation can be helpful but problematic. In divorce situations, consider disabling or removing them to prevent unwanted tracking. Your safety and privacy should be priorities, not compromised for the sake of convenience. Lastly, lock your credit reports. This won't provide a play-by-play of your activities, but it safeguards your financial information. This can be crucial if you suspect your ex might try to open an account in your name. Let's understand how locking your credit report is a powerful tool. So there you have it. Ways to navigate spousal spying during a divorce. Remember, technology can be a double-edged sword. Protect yourself, know your rights, and consult with a legal professional if needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'm Brian Fagan, and thanks for joining us today. See you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.